beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your most requested and most awaited reading. What is next in your life? And this is a charms reading, as you all know. And I'm super excited to do this reading, friends. A lot is happening this week. I know you can feel it. Can you? And make sure to subscribe Magic Winds Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwindstarot.com, friends. And let's see. And also, friends, if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One lucky person will be selected for a free reading, especially through a random name selector. So make sure to subscribe, like, share, and win a reading anytime, at the end of every month. Check there. So, yeah. So let's talk a little bit. It's a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, a lot is happening this week astrologically. We are moving into first the January 12th, a new moon in Capricorn. Yes, friends, a new moon. You can start manifesting. You can make your wishes. The new moon is here. And on the 14th, Uranus will be going direct, finally. But it's going direct in Taurus. So interesting. So the sun is in Capricorn right now. The moon is in Capricorn. Uranus is going direct in Taurus, and Venus is also in Capricorn. Lots of earth energy, earth signs. You're gonna feel it a lot. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and the rest of all. We are all going to feel this energy. I think you are already feeling it. So let's jump into the reading. Today's choices are beautiful. I love these color combinations. Let's take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1, this beautiful Destiny card. It's very beautiful. Option number 2, the Passions Ignited card. Option number 3, the Hope card. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. Friends, I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly go there and check your option, your pile number. Also, you can choose, you watch the entire video, choose more than one. Also, make sure to watch your 2021 horoscope charms readings. I have done it with charms, each sign. You can check that out. You can also check out many other charms readings I have done for January for 2021. You can check that out. So let's see for pile number 1 what's happening. Let's see. Let me just put them aside for pile number 1 who chose this Destiny, the Wheel of Fortune. And there's a glare because the camera is very subtle. Good camera probably, I would say. I don't know, maybe that's why it's showing this reflection. So yeah, Destiny, it's a beautiful card. The Wheel of Fortune, number 10. The number 10 is lucky. Lucky number. This is your advice. These are your oracle messages. Let's see. Charms I'll be pulling shortly. Let's see your cards. Ooh, nice, very nice. So you start this week feeling like the 8 of Cups. I feel you are you are a bit disappointed right now, or you are moving, some of you are waiting for some sort of a change. You are ready for a big change in life. You are ready for moving on in life, but you don't know where you have to go. You don't know what you need to do. I also feel that some of you have recently ended a relationship, or you have ended something in the last year. So you are still recovering from it. Any endings, you are still recovering. You are still a bit sad about it. Like why this ending happened. Although it was the right thing that happened. But you're ready for you have ended something, but you are not sure where the path is taking you. That's the confusion this week for you. What is next? That is your question. That's what you are asking. What is next? Now you have ended something, you are recovering from it, but what is next? Where is that new relationship? Where is that new job? What is next? What do I do? There may be a bit disappointed feeling right now. You may be feeling slightly let down or disappointed, or maybe a bit pessimistic or negative, like life isn't good, because you have the wheel of fortune. So it is the energy of change. So yeah, but I feel this is your current energy. This is not how your whole week is going to be. Let's see what else. The Two of Winter. Yeah, you are, you need to make a decision. I feel right now you're stuck between the past and the future. You're stuck. You need to make a decision this week, and you may feel a bit confused, like, what do you need to decide when there are no opportunities? What do you need to decide? But the thing you can do in this movement is that focus on the now. If you can't focus on the future, and the past is not making you happy either, focus in of enjoying or focusing on the present moment is what is going to bring you clarity. It is going to bring you happiness. Indecision is holding you back. Make the choice that is best for you, and rather than trying to please others. Yeah, don't I don't. You may be settling for less this week, just because other people are saying, or you are feeling unhappy. Not unhappy, that's not the right word. You are feeling something else. Unfulfilled, that's the word. It's not about happiness, it is about fulfillment. You are looking for fulfillment, and nothing is like fulfilling you right now. Your future, your past, wherever you are currently. So I would suggest that it is time to focus a bit in the present, rather than in the future or the past. So focus in the now, that will help you. If you are trying to please others, don't do that. uh, Feeling trapped between the intellect and the emotions. Yeah, you can feel a bit caught between, like you love somebody, you miss them, but you don't want to be with them. Make peace with it. It is okay, it's all right. Sometimes it usually happens that we still love people even though we have moved on from them. They might love you, you might love them, but you no longer want to be in touch with them. You that kind of an energy is there. You still love that person, it's okay. Don't be so hard on yourself. It's okay to love somebody and not be in touch with that person. So yeah, but look at that, the star wish is coming true. You are very lucky, friends. Destiny, something is changing for you. Your wishes are going to come true this week. And also, why I'm telling you to stay focused in the present in this week, because your wishes are going to come true. So if you are manifesting, a very high chance of making your wishes come true is there. There is also a very high chance of you finding a lot of solutions, creativity, a lot of ideas, inspirations. So stay focused, because otherwise you can miss it. A lot of ideas, inspirations, and a wish come true is going to happen for you. Yes, friends, number 17 is also lucky. And keep your intuition open, because signs are coming, divine signs, divine messages. So keep your you might see a lot of repeating numbers, 888, 222, 111. So that's a sign that you are on the right path, you are moving forward, and you are doing the right things. Balance, yeah, this week is about balance. You will have to balance yourself. Why? Because otherwise you can be very much upset about the past or upset about the future, which is not necessary. Your future is looking good, so stay balanced. Take everyone's input into consideration. Merge viewpoints to create a better solution. Take your time, there is no need to rush. Yeah, you have all the time in the world to achieve your dreams, friends. The world is not going to be over any soon. Yes, I can assure you that. And there is time, maybe some of you are feeling like, oh my God, when are we going to be a millionaire? When are we going to achieve that dream of ours? When are we going to travel, do this, do that? It's going to happen, friends. It's going to happen. Just keep working, keep one step at a time. I also feel some of you are very disappointed with love. See, you're like taking a step back from love, like, no, I don't want love, I'm disappointed. But I don't think so. You are disappointed with love. You are disappointed with how the past went or how the past situation happened. But make peace with it, because that is blocking new love from coming into your life. I see your wishes coming true. So if you're trying to manifest a new love, it is coming. It will happen soon for you, but you need to stay balanced. You need to stay open. Don't say, like, oh, I just don't want love, because you might actually end up attracting that. So don't do that. Let's see what else. The sun. Yay, success is coming for you, friends. A lot of success is coming for you, and this is quite good because if you're working on any goals, dreams, plans, or starting something this week, it will go well. And especially, you can turn your energy, your thoughts into gold. Like you can stay positive, feel happy, and you will find something exciting also this week, which will make you feel it will make you feel relieved that yes, finally things are going your way. And the star and the sun, and this seems like very celestial. There is the sun, there is the star. So I do feel there is someone who is just perfect for you, and you also feel that person is perfect for you. Maybe they are from the past, or maybe they are your twin flames. So somewhere that person is keeping you fixed and not able to move ahead in love. So find balance with it, find some peace with it. Someone from the past is definitely thinking about you. Could be an Aries, Leo, Sag person, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. But you need to stay balanced, friends. You need to stay balanced. You might feel confused. Why is this person calling, messaging? What's going on? They are thinking, you are thinking. So just stay in the present. See, the Prince of Spring, charming, self confident, passionate, restless. Something new is coming this week. Some opportunities, some excitement is coming. Also, you may want to rush things. You may want this week to be like quick, quick, quick. You want to rush through this week, or you may feel like this week is going more quickly than you have decided. Like before it's already weekend. Like that's how my weeks go by. It's Monday, and by the time I even catch a breath, it's like already it's Sunday. I'm like, what, where did the whole week go? So that's how you're gonna feel, like where did the whole week go? It's exciting, it's full of energy, lots of things happening, immediate action. A challenge you can successfully manage. A passionate relationship, yeah, you may find someone very exciting to talk with, maybe a stranger or someone from the past. But it might be very quick. It might be a very quick or short relationship, or it might be a quick conversation which makes you feel happy, or a quick compliment which changes your life. So something quick is going to happen this week, and that will make you feel happy. Also, be careful in taking quick decisions this week, because any decision you take this week are going to be long term. So be careful, sorry friends, be careful in taking some long term decisions, friends. That's the energy. You should be careful, don't take quick decisions. The 3 of autumn, definitely you it is this week you will have to get along with people. You will have to put your ego aside, and I rarely ever say that, friends. But this is the week when you may not want to get along with people, because you're disappointed with people, with love, with everything else in life. But this week take your time to enjoy people just as they are, your friends, your family. Keep your egos aside and just enjoy, because there are life is short. Life is short, and we must enjoy life, and we must enjoy the time we have. So I do see you will be working more, so take time to spend some time with your family, with your friends. If they are calling you, take that call, accept it, and say hello, how are you? Because I feel like you just don't want to talk to people, and you want to submerge yourself in this work, in this work, because I do that also. So I would suggest you not to do that, to submerge yourself in work and get too busy. And you might avoid people, or you might not want to talk to family or friends, because you are like, I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm busy. Actually, you are a bit disappointed. That's the problem. But you can fix it. People want to work things out with you, so relax. Just things are not so bad. Someone wants to work things, a relationship, they want to work a relationship with you. So that energy is also there. Someone wants to, ooh, someone wants to come back from the past, or make work things out with you. It could be a friend you meet again suddenly online or on social media, or it could be a neighbor or someone you work with that wants to patch up things with you. You may not want to see their face. You're like, why is this person coming? But they are coming, they want to talk with you. Let's see what else. The thinking woman, yeah, you're thinking a lot. You might be reading a lot of books. You are reading people also, like, what is going on? Why is this person wanna talk to me? So there is a lot of energy of thinking, deciding, decisions about your future. I also see if you are students, you may be having exams, so it's a good idea to study and not to binge watch because you don't want your past things to happen again. No, no, no. And you may feel a little confused what to study, what not to study. And I think some of you, it might be a good idea to pick up some books and start reading, even if you have never read a book earlier. Because I see something good, you will find some inspiration, some solutions there in that book. And also meditate a little this week, because you know some sort of a solution is, some solutions want to come to you. And you know, if you're too busy, you may miss those solutions. So stay calm, stay positive, and listen to the sound of silence. Listen to the sound of silence. The goddess of moon, creativity. Yes, creativity is very, very high. You also have the star which is coming through the moon. We also have a new moon here, so goddess of the moon is with you. This also is like your emotions will be high, a little high and low. So you know, it can be a good high, it can be a bad high. It depends on you, friends, which high you want this week, because you have the wishes coming true. So if you start the week positive, you will end up positive. If you start the week like, nah, my mood is bad, it's gonna be bad. So that's how it will be, friends. Don't do that, please. Just just you know, say it's a positive week, and that's how it will be. Your emotions will be high. Some of you may cry this week, or someone may come and cry to you about the past, or you know, someone wants to cry in your arms. I don't know, I keep seeing that you want to cry or someone else is crying. Maybe some of you will connect more with your lost friends, pet, you know, lost pet you have lost, or you know, passed on family members. So you'll connect with them spiritually, or you will miss them. So I see you crying, I see someone else also crying. Someone needs your support this week. So yeah, you may not want to give them support, but I think it's okay to just talk with them. Focus, yeah, focus. You know, you are thinking a lot, so you may feel very confused which way to focus, because you don't, your future you feel confused, your past you feel unhappy, your present you don't know what's going on. So this week, friends, focus. And some of you, it can get colder where you are, so that's another message I'm getting. Stay warm, friends, because here also, look at this, look at the candle. You know, it seems like there is a candle. So stay warm, friends. Keep your candles and your crystals close to you. Stay warm, stay you know, warm and safe. I see some snow or some winter, you know, there where you are. Also, focus, friends. Focus is very important this week, because that can lead to your happiness or unhappiness. You know, the week is great. You have amazing cards, the sun, the star, the destiny. You have amazing cards, but if you focus on where you focus, it matters. Let's see your advice, then we're gonna see your charms. Oops. Treasure chest, an unforeseen windfall of new abundance comes to you now. See, money is coming your way, friends. Some of you are worried about money. Don't be so worried about money. Some things are working out for you. Your destiny is big. Some things are changing for you. You may not know the answer now, but it's okay. I feel you will find some solutions now, and which will help you to do something, and you know, it will change your destiny in the future. So some revelations are happening. Something will happen this week which will help you to move ahead. So don't worry. And try to meditate, friends, this week, because it's necessary for you. Let's see some charms for pile number one. What will happen this week for pile number one? Alright, okay. Let's see. So you got lots of charms, and oops, let's see, friends, what's happening. Alright, so we have only two letters, M and S, which is surprising. And wow, only two letters, initials. Some it could be sun, some SUM, some uh, S and M is here. Number 2 is important, so maybe the 2nd of February is important, or number 2 could be a date which is your birth date or something, or someone's birthday is important. Let's see what else is there. Number 17 is important too. 17 is 8. 8 is about destiny. Number 17 is also here, the star card. It is important, friends. It is important. Let us see what else. See, teacups. Yeah, something's teapot. Something is brewing for you. Something is manifesting. It is not yet revealed to you, but it will be revealed, friends. Take some time, focus yourself. Don't lose hope. The plate. Yeah, I do feel like, some guest may come to your house, or you should invite some guest this week, or go out and, celebrate, or just meet your friends, talk with your friends, because someone needs to tell you something, or someone needs your support. That's what I feel. The pawn, yeah, you feel a little powerless. You feel like you don't have anything, you don't have any power to change your life, your destiny, or destined for bad things. I don't think so, friends. You are not at all destined for bad things. In fact, you are moving into great things. It is just a matter of time before this fog clears. Have you seen a fog? Have you ever driven in a fog? I usually do that. Driving in fogs, it's something I like, but it's risky. Try and use your precautions, lights, proper lights, everything. So what happens is you can't see in the fog. It's very foggy. You can't see. It's very misty, but very blurred. You can see, but once you reach closer, every step you can see better, 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 better. You can't see the entire road, but you can see little, 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 little as you move ahead. So that is how things work. So this is pawn. This is like feeling powerless, but you actually have a lot of power. Home, yeah, home is important for you. Also, feeling passionate is important. Find something that you are passionate about and do that this week. The moon, your mood swings may happen this week, friends. Your mood may go high and low and high and low, but that's okay. And why am I singing? Because I think you are going to sing, friends. Look at this mic. Oh my god, someone is going to sing for you, friends. Look at the mic charm. Maybe you are going to have karaoke nights, or with friends you are going to try and sing, or with family. Maybe you are attracting a singer or a musician, or someone might sing a song for you as a compliment, and it might excite you like, wow, what happened? So, yeah, the key is here. So some solutions are coming, friends. Something your need is coming, some solutions you are waiting for. The bouquet, some celebration. Someone may gift you a bouquet, or you may gift someone a flowers or something, or you may buy flowers for yourself. So that is also there. The heart is here. Look at that, the beautiful mosaic heart which has written forever on it. Forever love. So someone who loves you a lot is coming towards you. Also, you feel a lot of love for somebody, even though you may be in separation with that person, or you are in no contact. The pearl, yeah, you're very precious, friends. You're very precious. Take care of yourself. Oh my god, lots of celebration charms are here. Look at this bottle. Wow, so some of you are opening some Coke bottles probably for celebrations. Maybe it's your birthday, or maybe it's your friend's birthday. So some sort of a celebration is going to happen. Or you might celebrate just because you want to, every day is worth a celebration. And also someone has bottled feelings. That is how I feel. Like someone loves you, but they are not telling you. They might say sorry. Someone has to tell you. It could be a friend, it could be a lover, it could be someone someone from the family. Someone has to say something to you, and they will. The butterfly, changes are coming. You're very close to changing something. The tree of life, money will improve, friends. Stay positive. You are protected. The umbrella is about protection. You are very protected. Don't worry. Your future is safe. The parrot, yeah, friends. People want to talk to you this week, but you are like, nah, I don't want to talk. Also, friends, you learn some music, or maybe try and sing or write. Use your creativity, because you are quite creative. The leaf is let go of anxiety. Again, there is a leaf, like you are take one step at a time. There are lots of leaves, friends. So it is about anxiety and worry also. Leaves, is like you are worrying about things which are out of your control. Which way the wind will go? It will go whichever way. Just enjoy it. And it's also about money. Leaves are also about money. Lotus, yeah, spirituality. Connect with spirituality, meditation, yoga, healing, all those things. The feather, yeah, you may find a feather this week, friends, some divine signs or messages. And this blue bead is about intuition, listening to your intuition, your mind. Some of you might read a book or something creative. Listen to your mind. Again, there is a pearl. You have two pearls. So something is manifesting for you, friends. Something beautiful. You may not see it now, but it will happen. The boy charm. Yeah, some of you are, the boy charm could be someone is coming for you, a new relationship, a passionate relationship, or it may be a quick conversation with someone you like. So something is coming. I also feel if you are single, if you are looking for marriage, there may be, or if you are married, something about pregnancy, childbirth is also there. So this boy is like that. What is this? Let's see. Mate with love. Wow, someone wants to really do something nice for you. Mate with love. So someone wants to take care of you, make some bouquets, flowers, sing a song for you, because someone is really missing you, friends. I see that, yeah. Someone wants to work on a relationship. Maybe it is in third party, or maybe you are in separation, so they want to work on it. Look at these two flowers. Someone wants to be with you, near you. These two flowers are love relationships. The owl, yeah, listen to the signs, friends. You have the golden owl. Listen to the signs. It will help you towards money, towards your future. So be careful. These beads are just random thoughts. You may have a lot of thinking this week. Ten of Air, yeah. Some endings are bothering you. Something has ended, but you haven't recovered from it. June is important, the month June. Eight of Airs, yeah. Some of you are like, you don't have choices this week. You are like, where is my choice? Where are my options? Where are the new lovers? Where is the job? Where is the money? It's coming. It's coming. Don't lose hope. Ten of Wands, yeah. You're busy, friends. It's a busy week. You may feel a lot of pressure. Giver, yeah, you are like, we keep giving. Where are the people who give to us, friends? I think the first thing you need to do is give to yourself this week, and that is how you will attract someone that is nice. Prince of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Red, yeah, red is very important. Wear something red this week, friends. It will make you feel happy. It could be a nail paint, it could be a stone, it could be a bracelet which is red, or maybe anything red will do. Even if you don't, even just connect with the energy, like with the red energy. It's passionate, it's bold, it's fiery. Eagle, yeah, you're very powerful, friends. Don't worry, you're unique. Your destiny is also unique. If you are comparing your life with others, don't do that, because you are unique, friends, and your destiny and your path is also unique. If you are looking at others' life and saying, "Oh, we haven't got that, we haven't got this," but friends, you are different, you are unique. Something better is on its way to you. Inspiration, yes, you are an inspiration to many. You are on the path to becoming an inspiration for the world, and you are inspiring a lot of people right now. So go for it, friends, and subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. Bye for now. So friends, if you chose option number 2, this beautiful Passions Ignited card, let us see what's coming this week for you. What's going to happen next, what is next. Wow, this card is beautiful. Look at that, number 1, Passions Ignited, beautiful. I feel something really something nice is going to happen this week, or something is brewing for you, some miracles or something. Let's see what's going to happen. Advice for this week, what you need to focus on, your oracle messages. We'll also be pulling the charms shortly, friends. Yes, so let's see. Okay, so first things first, Seven of winter, yeah. You start the week feeling like someone has betrayed you, someone or something, some situation is not going as you planned it to go. Like maybe you were planning to get married, but it didn't happen, or that person ghosted you. You were counting on a relationship, but it didn't work out. You were counting on a job, but it didn't happen, or you were like you were counting on some education, like papers will be happening, but it got postponed or something. So you are feeling like, why is this frustration, why is this delay? You feel like some things didn't work out, and you are a bit upset or angry also about it, like why this thing didn't work out, why is this delay happening, why is this change of plan happening. There is a better choice. Not seeing things clearly, running away from the truth. I do feel like there are better things coming for you. So don't worry if there are delays happening right now or change of plans happening. It's okay, it's perfectly all right, because something else is coming towards you. If someone is running away from you, let them bye bye, because someone else is coming towards you. And yeah, I do feel this week you will feel very passionate, also very excited also. Your focus is on the future. You want to expand your life, your career, your relationships, whatever. You want expansion in every area of your life. You are tired of being the same old thing. It is like new year, new you, new me. So you want something new. You want excitement, you want passion, you want to travel. Some of you want a new relationship, or your current relationship to expand, or your marriage to expand, your marriage to become more passionate. So you want expansion, and you will not settle for anything less. You want movement. Look at this. Plan your next steps with an eye to the long term. Have patience. There are more good things to come. See, again the message is same. There are more good things to come. There is a better choice available to you. Again, so if something is not working for you right now, let it be, friends, because something better is on its way to you. And I do see that you are working and towards you're working towards expanding and changing your life. So go for it. And something else was also there, satisfaction from a job well done. Yeah, I do see someone is going to recognize your worth or recognize your talent. So it's a good thing, friends. Maybe someone right now is not appreciating you, but in the future or in this week someone will meet, or someone will recognize your talent, which is a good thing. Nine of autumn. This week you will be valuing yourself, friends. It is very important to value yourself, to be proud of your gifts, to be proud of how far you have come in life. That is your focus should be, to be proud of yourself, because you have come a long way, friends. You have achieved a lot. It is not easy how far you have come, and whatever you have achieved till now, it may seem little to you, but actually that also is a great task. It is a great achievement, so well done. Some of you are worried about money. I see money coming your way this week. If you have started a new business or something, it will do well. Even if you are working, you will find more success, more money, more satisfaction, more enjoyment in it. So go for it, friends. Enjoy. Work wise, you are very happy. In fact, you want to expand your work and career. You want to travel, like you want to shift, you want to relocate. So just plan this thing right now rather than actually shifting. We'll see if you can actually shift, but I see you planning rather than actually shifting this week. Also, money coming in, lots of money, lots of self. Be proud of yourself, friends. You have done an amazing job till now. The Hermit. Yeah, I feel you're not socializing a lot this week, or you may right now be feeling like you don't want to socialize, even though you want a relationship, even though you want expansion, but you don't want to be with a million people. You want to be with yourself or the close people. You want to have a close group of friends, like your colleagues or your best friends, your family, that's it, your lover. You don't want a million friends this week. You want to be with yourself. I also feel there is a person who is not in contact with you, and they want to reach out to you, or they have already messaged you. This person, they could be someone, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. I also feel they could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Someone has ghosted you, ditched you, or someone you don't trust, they want to reach out to you this week, or they have already messaged you, but you are like, you don't know what to do with this person. You are like, you are staying away from this person because I don't know why, but you want to stay away from drama this week. You are like, nope, I'm not involving in drama. I'm focusing on my self-worth, I'm focusing on my health, I'm focusing on my work, everything nice. I don't want this drama, bye bye. That's the energy. Ace of Summer. Yeah, look, proposals are coming, some sweet messages are coming your way, friends. Get ready. I feel this is not just about someone else falling in love with you, it is also you falling in love with yourself. I see it will happen, friends. You will enjoy doing something this week, or you will fall in love with yourself. And that's the most important thing we should all need to do now, because we have been through this amazing year and we all made it. Yeah, we made it through this amazing year 2020. So we should be proud of ourselves and we should fall in love with ourselves. So yeah, someone loves you, friends. Someone really likes you. You also, someone has a secret crush on you and they are not telling you, but they might express their feelings, or they might start talking to you, hinting you that they like you. So secret crush, secret admirers are also there. So get ready for that. Prince of Cups, yeah, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. I also feel you're very emotionally sensitive this week, so you will want to stay away from drama or away from, negativity. Or you should actually stay away from drama, media, news, because you're very emotionally sensitive, very sensitive. And you're very focused also this week on your future, your goals, your path, your fitness routines. You're very focused. So any drama negativity can actually hurt you, friends. So stay away from such people or such places which make you feel sensitive, ego. Yeah, someone is going. Okay, friends, let's talk about it. First things first, friends, you may be a workaholic this week. You may feel like working too much, even if you are a housewife or house husband or whatever you do, Even if you are working in business, a student, you will feel like overdoing things. You may feel a workaholic. You may work all night, all day, because you feel this unstoppable urge to work, to connect, to achieve. Your passions are unstoppable, and that's what is keeping you moving. But it can affect your health, friends, and so take care of your health. Don't become a workaholic. At least try to balance it with sleeping and eating proper. Eating some fresh fruits. I see some of you are skipping your fresh fruits. Don't do that. If you are a student, I see you are skipping your vegetables. So don't do that. Eat your vegetables. I'm sounding like a mom now. No, but I actually saw that, so I have to tell you that. So, yeah. Another thing I need to tell you is that there is a chance someone will behave very egoistically this week. It could be a friend, it could be a lover, it could be someone, your boss, your parents, in laws. Someone is going to behave like a silly person or a dramatic person, a melodramatic person, and you need to stay away from them. Why? Because, friends, it can affect you. It can hurt you, or it can make your mood, it will affect you. So you need to stay away from them, and you have to take a wise approach, because someone might behave very stupidly, or someone might behave very aggressively, or someone might be in just their ego. So you have to take the wise approach and stay away, or just like, pacify them with love. Someone is behaving stupidly this week, so you have to give them space and treat them with love. That is how you need to be. Also, you need to take care of your health, because I see you working too much, friends. You becoming addicted. Some of you also be careful. Someone new may be coming your way, offering you love, a crush, or a secret admirer, but actually they might be just very similar to the person you have dated in the past, your past lover, your soulmate, twin flame. They could be very similar, or they could be the same person, so be very careful. And Four of Winters, look at that. Yeah, set aside your emotions for now. Wow, set aside your emotions for now. You can make a decision later. Solutions that come from meditation, the need for a sleep or a vacation. Yeah. You wanna escape, friends. You are like, oh my god, how it nice it will be if we were in Costa Rica partying, doing some dancing on the beach or something, whatever you like, because this has a carnival feel, right? So you were like, what if we were in a carnival? We were enjoying outside. Life would be so great. Yeah, you can do that, friends. Take a nap, watch your favorite movie, do something that makes you happy, and don't let others tell you what is your happiness. I do see someone telling you, like, hey, do this, it will make you happy. Get married, it will make you happy. Do this, it will make you happy. I think listen to yourself. You're very wise, friends. You're very intelligent, and you have come all this way. So make sure that you listen to yourself and not to anybody else. Let's see, if you're in work, I feel you're doing very well. You're in fact over focused about work, over committed in work and education, so I don't see any problem, except that some people will be jealous, like, oh, they are working so much. So that needs to be balanced. Indecision, number 8. Yeah, you may feel confused about a person coming towards you, or why this person is behaving so stupidly, so egoistically, why this person behaves like a toxic person, or why some of you are like, you want to travel but you can't, or some of you want a vacation but you can't, your family is not allowing you, or people around you are not ready to go for a vacation. Those friends which always say no to make plans, say yes to plans, but never actually show up for the plans. So that kind of an energy. So stay positive, don't let it affect you. You can make indecision, but listen what it says. Set aside your emotions for now. You can make a decision later. Yeah, sleep on your decisions. There is no rush. Take your time. Be wise. Man with a heart. Ooh, someone sexy, someone steamy, someone passionate is coming, friends. They are a drop dead gorgeous person. It could be you. Very gorgeous, very beautiful, attracting a lot of attention this week. But, friends, you have to be careful, because passions ignited. It could be a lustful relationship. If that's what you want, it's okay, it's great. But if you are, it could be someone very lusty, someone very passionate, someone slightly toxic or egoistic or arrogant is coming towards you. So be careful. And what you need to do, focus on what you need to focus on this week. Trust. Look at that. You are on the right path, friends. Things are moving for you. Just trust that things are, you are on the right path, and each day, take it as it comes. Trust, believe in the unseen. Believe that you have come a long way. You will be able to handle yourself in the future. Believe that you are wise, you are intelligent. Let's see your advice, then we're gonna look at your charms. Yes, 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 your intuition is correct. What is your intuition telling you, friends? It is right. It is right, and take action accordingly. So your intuition is telling you something, you should listen to it. If it's telling you someone is not right, you're right. If it's telling you can't trust them, it's right. If it's telling you they are nice, you're right, friends. Listen to your intuition. All right, let's see your charms. Option number 2. What will happen for option number 2? Alright, lots of charms came out. Let's see. Wow, you have a snowflake stuck in which charm? A. So that's interesting. It usually stuck in one or the more charms. You have like a truckloads of charms. Look at this. Have you ever seen so much of charms in any other readers? I haven't actually. I'm like, this is the highest you can get, unless you turn the whole bag out here. Ooh, nice, interesting. I see foot. So some of you take care of your feet or your foot because something might happen, or you are recovering from health issues, or if you are running or something, you might need. Some of you want to buy proper shoes. Yes, your intuition is right, you should buy some proper shoes. Look at that. Yes, 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 if you are looking to buy shoes, I heard you friends. Yes, are you buying neon colors shoes? Yes, go for it, they look nice. I don't know, your choice. So something about foot is important, or feet is important. Let's see what else. Fat, yeah. I think someone is trying to tell you that you can't do something, whether it is weight loss, whether it is like they are telling you get married, you can't do this, you can't be a musician, you can't be an actor, you can't be a model, you can't do this, you can't do that. There is someone who's trying to put you down. Don't listen to them, friends. Don't you listen to them, because you have reached this far by yourself. They haven't. And if they are telling you anything, don't listen to it, friends. Just ignore it. That's how I see, because you have the oomph factor. You have the seductivity. A lot of people are attracted towards you, so someone may be jealous and saying something, or something like that. So your alphabets initials are A, T, E, C, double O, and F. Yeah, Foo could be important. Maybe some of you have a pet or something named Foo baby, I don't know. Car, some of you, healing is happening, friends. Healing is happening in body and in your heart also. The red house is about being very passionate. Yes, you are very passionate this week. Number 31 could be important. 31st of January could be important for some of you. Save, don't forget to save. Yeah, it is important for you to remember things this week, because if you have appointments, I see you might miss them because you are busy. So keep track of whatever you need to do. Number 25 is also important. So let's see. The green, money is coming, friends. Money is coming your way. The pawn, you're powerful. Even if people are telling you, like, don't let anybody play with your confidence. You are very powerful. Let me just separate them so we don't mix them. You have like ample of charms. What went down? Okay, so you have a heart with 14/7 written on it. So 14th is important. Maybe 14th of July is important for some of you. So yeah, see, another shoe charm is here. Oh my god, I haven't noticed it also. I just saw the foot from here, and look, the shoe charm is here. So some of you should start running, or maybe you are getting some new shoes or something related to shoes, walking. Or I also feel you're on the right path. Don't listen to others who are telling you you are doing nothing or anything. Don't listen to them. Cycle. Yes, someone, your life is slowly getting better. Things are about to get better. And this is the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, money is coming your way. And the Ganesha charm. So the Lord Ganesha is with you. Money, prosperity, success is coming for you. You have the feather. So messages, written messages are important. Emails, news is coming for you, which is you are waiting for. You have the angel wing. You're very safe and very protected. Mushrooms. Ooh, mushroom. A very sexual, a very lusty person is coming towards you, or you may feel very attracted or connected with your twin flame, or your someone, some relationship or some person. The diamond, you are the diamond, friends. Trust yourself. The pearl, you are also very precious. Remember that. And the elephant, listen, keep your ears open to the signs. Butterfly, some positive changes are on its horizons. The growth is happening. You want change. That's what you want. Some change, some growth, some expansion in life. That is what you are doing this week. 3 of Hearts. So some celebrations are coming with friends or family. You may have your birthday, or someone may compliment you, or you will spend some time with friends, which is very nice. I also feel that if you are in a third party, you might recover from that situation, or some healing will happen. Love yourself, friends. This large flower is about loving yourself. I see someone will compliment you this week. This is small flower. What else? You have the unicorn, so some wishes are going to come true, friends. Make a wish, it will come true. We have the new moon also. The tree of life. Family is important, friends. Family is very important to you. Leaves are like, don't listen to negative people. Don't listen to that. Focus on your heart and keep moving towards your heart. Again, the tree of life. So, you could be dealing with a twin flame connection or a very important person this week. A twin flame, a soulmate. You have the guitars. Yeah, some of you are connecting with music. You will listen to a lot of music, or you are connecting with a musician, an artist, or something, someone like that. Maybe you are starting your own profession in that. Another pearl is here. Wow, you have two pearls. So, you are very gifted, friends. You are very gifted. Don't doubt yourself. The rainbow, look at that. Things are going to come true for you. The rainbow is going to shine for you. Okay. The eye. Keep your eyes open, friends. Some of you might notice some third eye chakra activity, or you will feel very connected to some person, telepathically. The wheel is here. The wheel in the boats we have, those driving wheels. How do you, this is about, you are moving in the right direction. Don't question your directions, because you are moving in the right direction. Starfish, wishes coming true. This is also about sexuality. Someone is very attracted to your body. You may be attracted to them also. Lusty connections are coming. Born to shine. Yes, you're born to shine, friends. Believe in it. And yes, your trumps are not done yet. Stay with me. Take a deep breath. Yeah. King of air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. It could be you yourself. Four of Wands, marriage is important for some of you. Issues related to marriage, commitment, or twin flame connections are important. January is important. Yes, this is a January reading. We are in January. January is important. December is important. Someone born in December. I think this time I even have less space on my plate. Okay, Knight of Coins. Someone with an age difference is important. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. And the Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So you may also be attracting two people. So you may have choices in love. Yeah. And the Nine of Cups, celebrations are coming. Something will happen which will make you happy. Tiger, be courageous, be independent, believe in yourself. Six of Air, moving forward. No challenges, moving ahead. Faith, keep your faith. You are moving in the right direction. Moon, cycles, you are completing a cycle. Prince of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Money is important, yes. A lot of money is coming with the Nine of Pentacles. A lot of money is coming, or at least some hope is coming in money areas. Green, yes, healing will happen. Green is your color for this week. Nine of Air. Someone, if you are dealing with depression, anxiety, health issues, or some foot or leg pains or something like that, you're going to recover from it, friends. A lot of healing energies are with you. Look at this green, green. A lot of luck is also with you. You're extremely lucky. And the Three of Wands. So Three of Wands is also here, expansion. You are focusing on expanding your life, your career, your future, your relationships. So it is a great week for you, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wands Tarot, like and share. And this is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, if you chose option number 3, let us see what is coming next for you. This beautiful hope card. It is so beautiful. Look at the light in the hands. It is so beautiful. And number 17 is about destiny, luck, and success, fate. This is your advice. These are your oracle messages and things you need to focus on. Charms I'll be pulling shortly. Let's see what is coming next for you, friends. Ooh, Ace of Winter. Breakthroughs are coming. Clarity is coming. A sense of direction, a sense of purpose, a sense of freedom, liberation is coming for you. Congratulations. Wow, don't be deterred by challenges along the way. It is important to communicate clearly and accurately, amazing new ideas that could change your life. Wow. So amazing new ideas are coming, breakthroughs are coming, clarity is coming, a sense of direction, a sense of purpose is coming for you, friends. And communications also, something you're waiting for. Are you waiting for some news, some messages, or something to happen in your life? You will find some messages regarding that. So, good week, at least till now. Eight of Springs, a very, very busy week. You're very busy, friends. You're taking a lot. You're managing home, family, friends, work, education. You're very busy. Mentally, also, I see you're very busy. A lot of thoughts going on in your mind. Very, very busy. Stress that comes from managing many things alone, and successful multitasking, sudden events or changes. Yeah, something may happen which will make you very busy, like like you get a sudden project, extra project, and you get very busy, or some guests are at home, so you get even more busy. Or you have, like, sometimes when you are like, you are going late, and then you're stuck in a traffic jam, so there is more work to do, and then you reach late, so more work to do at office. So there is a lot happening, a lot of things running in your mind, lot of plans, lot of activities. Busy week. Very, very, very busy week. I see you running, running, running everywhere. It might make you stressed also, so stay patient, friends. The Six of Spring, wow, some sort of a success is coming your way, friends. Something will happen which will make you feel successful, or make you feel like, yes, we can do it, we achieved it. So some goal, some milestone will happen, like, maybe someone will compliment you, or you will finish your, if you were, finishing your project reports, you will be able to finish them on time this week. Maybe you are studying for an exam, you will clear it with very good grades, very good marks. If you were going for an interview, it will go well in your favor. So, even if you have a lot of goals to achieve this week, or you are very busy, you will still be able to manage it all like a pro. So well done, you're doing excellently, and be proud of yourself because you're doing great. So, Four of Summer. So why this Four of Summer? Okay, I feel work wise, education, and even in family, with friends, family, you are very busy, but still you are a little disappointed, a little bored, with love and relationships. I don't know why, but that's how it feels. Being distracted and failing to see a magical opportunity, taking someone or something for general discontent with life. Yeah, you may be feeling a little bored with love, relationships. You may be busy at work, or even in education, or your life in general, but with love you are like, nah, it's not perfect. Even if you are married, you are like, nah, it's not fun, it's not, we are bored, what to do. So there is this energy of feeling a bit of boredness, or feeling a bit discontent with in love, in relationships. Five of Spring, yeah. And people around you may actually be, you are feeling discontent because people are not understanding you or agreeing with you. It is like, no one actually understands what your heart, you're feeling a bit lonely, like, everyone is fighting, or about, you feel like the world is a mean place maybe this week, or people around you are just focused about themselves. It is like, there is someone who is focusing. There can be arguments this week, friends. I'll be honest here. There can be arguments, or not arguments. It's just like you want something else, someone wants something else, and it is disappointing you because you want someone to understand and want the same things as you. So you might feel a bit disappointed, like, you want to go outside and have a pizza, but someone wants to eat pasta, and you'll be like, what? So, this may seem like a very small thing to be sad about, but I think sometimes, it feels like the person is not understanding you, they don't understand you, they don't love you. So, that's how you feel. There is also a chance of discussions or confusions happening this week. So, be patient because a lot of fire energy is here. You can see all the cards are of fire, fire, fire. So, you may get upset, you may get angry, or someone else may get angry. So, stay calm. Six of autumn, yeah. A lot of balancing is happening in your life. This is a very karmic week also for you. A lot of karma, a lot of past life issues, anger, resentment may come from past life issues or past issues for you. Like someone from the past may come back. It may trigger you. It may make you angry, or someone will say something, but that anger may be related to some past issue. You are not angry about this present moment, but about something from the past. It may anger you, like why that person left me, why they did this, why this. If someone, your marriage didn't work out, you will be angry about it this week. So stay calm. And if money is not coming your way, friends, you will find money, some reward, something better. I would suggest that this week, you are like, whatever is not working, just be patient, something else will take its place. Look at this. If your hard work is not being repaid right now, don't worry. It will be sooner or later. That's how life is. It can't take away. Once you have put in the good work, it can only come back to you. The matter is, will it come now or will it come later? Because that's how the cycle works. Once you have done the work, it will come back to you. The beautiful rewards, money, success, whatever it is, but it will come back. Good news. The good you do comes back to you, an unexpected inflow of money, borrowing wisely, and repaying a debt. So, yeah, someone from the past may come back again. They want to talk to you, or you want to talk to this person and resolve some issues from the past. But you may still be opposites. Opposites attract a lot. So, you may still be opposites but attracting each other a lot. I do see that money, your hard work in work and education and career will be repaid to you. Renewal. You are thinking a lot this week about your life, your relationships, why you are on earth, what is your destiny, your higher purpose. Those things are on your mind. Why a relationship is not working, why they are testing, what is happening. So you want deeper solutions this week, and that's what your look is. That's what you are figuring, deeper solutions. Someone is also, a lover is also thinking about why the breakup happened, what is not working in this connection, why you both are opposites to each other, why this fight is going on. So someone is also thinking about these things just like you are. Justice, yeah. Oh god, this is a full on karmic week for you, friends. Get ready. This week is quite busy because you are dealing with a lot of issues. First, you are busy at work, then you are busy managing your home, your family, and all these issues. And along with it, you are going through some karmic issues, some karmic relationships, or tests, or lessons, or someone around you is going through them. And it's a busy week. You're busy, you're mentally and physically, emotionally busy. Karma, justice, legal victories may happen for you this week. Also, you want some justice to happen, life to be just and fair to you, like you are waiting for some love. If you are single, you want love, but you are meeting people who are not right, who are just opposite of you. They are not at all right for you. So you are like, where is this love, where is it? It will come, friends, it will come. Don't worry, just be clear on what you want. This week you are thinking a lot about life purpose, why something happened, why you are here, your life purpose, your life destiny, and relationships. Some of you may be questioning why you are married with this person, what is the point, why you got born in this life or in this house. A lot of questions are on your mind, lot of questions, and lot of deep thought, lot of deep solutions are also coming. Life experience. Whew. All right. So something may happen this week, friends. Something sudden may happen, which will actually shake you or make you feel like, wow. It will surprise you. Something sudden may happen. Let go of old belief systems that no longer work for you. An important life-changing event, a situation that leads to significant opportunities. So yeah, you may have someone may just cross, someone from your in love life. Someone may have an argument with you, but it may be a very small thing, but it will affect you deeply. Someone may say something like someone will say you are doing a great job, but it will affect you. Like, am I the one one who is supposed to do only this job? Can I do something else? I don't know. Little things will affect you more this week, and there can be a tower movement, like some fight or arguments with somebody, but it will lead to some new breakthroughs in how you perceive life or how you perceive your destiny to be. I also see some of you are changing your work, your life path, and it will be a revelation. Something sudden will happen which will make you feel like, yes, you need to make a change. Three of Winter, someone is causing you hurt, friends. Let's clarify. Someone, you may feel a bit sad about some fights, arguments this week. Sorry to say, but it will happen, or it has already happened in the past, but you may again have to think about it to understand it. You want deep solutions. What is this Tower about? Yeah, stay receptive, stay open, friends. Don't be aggressive. See how things are this week. I would say that in everything that happens this week, there is a deeper lesson, a deeper solution, and you are already moving out of it. You have recovered from it. It is time for justice now. So stay open to gifts and to the universe bringing you what you need. So don't be disheartened. What is the Tower about? Soulmates. A soulmate is important, friends. You may be disappointed by that soulmate, or you are single, so a new soulmate is coming. It may be out of the blue, it may be when you heal your heart. So get ready, friends. It is a big week for you. Anything else you need to know about the Tower? Observer. Keep observing, friends. Keep observing. Keep your mind free and clear, because a lot of messages are coming and someone is keeping an eye. You may meet them soon, or something will happen maybe this week or in the coming weeks ahead. So stay calm. It is divinely guided. You chose hope. Maybe a past lover is coming, or a relationship or a marriage is still having a chance because it's not yet over. So yeah, just stay careful. Wow, today this won't settle down because the energies are not settling down. That's how it is. Appreciation. Yeah, you should appreciate yourself first, friends. Then you are going to find someone who will appreciate you. Appreciate yourself. You have done a lot of hard work. You are still doing an amazing hard work, and it is time for you to receive all this love, joy, happiness you are giving. And you are surely and definitely going to get it back. Victory. A spiritual victory is coming for you. Number 28. It is a divine victory. It is a legal victory. It is a victory for your hard work, your patience. It is a victory for all the pains you have been through, friends. You will recover and you will win. And it is my promise to you. Yes. What you need to focus on this week? Miracles. Your life is a miracle, friends. You are a miracle. Don't be disheartened. Things will change for you. Better things are coming. A miracle is coming for you. Let's see your advice. Waves of prosperity, new abundance, and exciting opportunities wash over for you now. Yes, friends, you are on solid ground now. Look at that. Now nothing can cause you pain or worry. Trust yourself, and a lot of success is coming. New opportunities are coming. Believe it. It will happen. Let's see some charms for you. Wow, this was a very interesting reading. I hope you are still listening. It was quite long, isn't it? Question number 3, what will happen for them? So let's see. You have a lot of word charms. Let's see. The letter A is important. There is E, there is again L. So Lee might be important. Eli or Ali could be a name, or Lee could be a name like Lee. O is also important. It also has a snowflake, so O might be very important to you. Another A is here, F is here, A is here, and a G is here. So fog is also here. So yeah, you may feel like some situation or your life is appearing foggy, but things do get better, friends. You are very, very close to a miracle in life. Don't worry. And triple A, L, double E, F, O, G. Those are your initials. Let's see what else. Let's keep these. Let's them sort them out. The dark horse, friends, you are very strong. Believe in your strength. You are very strong, and destiny is with you. No matter how it seems, destiny is in your favor. Karma is with you. 555. Number 55 is important. Number 555 is also important. Number 1 is also important for you. A breakthrough is coming. A new start is coming. Number 77 is important. 777 is important. This yellow car, stay positive, friends. Good things are coming your way, and you are on the right path. Teacup, take care of yourself, friends. This week, enjoy your life. Fill a cup of tea and have it and enjoy it with all the peace of mind, because you deserve it. Appreciate yourself. Go out and buy yourself a gift, because appreciate yourself. Oh, hello, I'm yours. Wow, someone wants to say that, they love you. You also have this, where is it? The soulmate card. So definitely a lover is coming your way, or maybe someone from the past reconnecting. The blue bead is about listening to your intuition and your mind. And look at this, the warrior. You are like this mighty warrior. You are fighting and fighting, and you are like, when is this battle going to be over? Very soon, friends, very soon. You are very close. Miracles are coming. You're very strong. Someone may be fighting with you. Don't worry, it will be resolved. It will be resolved. It could be in work, love, or friendships. It will resolve. Don't worry. Maybe some of you are in legal issues, or you feel like injustice is happening. Don't worry, friends. Things change. Things are about to change positively. The bird nest, yes, some of you might get a new bird, or some of you might get a message from a pet of yours, like the pet, like someone whom you are very close to, a friend, a lover, because there is this message charm again. Look at that, a letter with a heart. So some important messages are coming. Lucky messages are coming. Clover leaf, you are very, very lucky, friends, very lucky. Trust, believe, don't lose hope. Butterfly, something good, a miracle is coming. You have the infinity charm. Yes, a twin flame connection is about to appear for you, or it will heal for you. You have the mic, so messages are coming. And also, some sort of a fame is coming. You are destined for fame. Some of you might be changing your life purpose or life's, direction. So that is also there. Fame, you will find fame. Star, yeah, your star is shining bright. You are destined for success. Parrot. Parrot is about gossip. There may be some gossip. It may make you feel angry or upset, but you know why people gossip? Because you are doing something exceedingly well, or you are above them, or you are doing something very nice. So let them talk, enjoy. Don't worry. The bow. Some of you might be worried about wanting a baby, or you want to get married, or you want to have kids, or it's not happening right now. Some of you are worried about family and all those things. There is also rose. So yeah, a lot of spiritual victories are there. Spiritual success, a spiritual connection is coming towards you, or healing towards you. Again, a rose is here. So definitely twin flame energies are very strong. Drum beats, messages are coming, important messages. Let's see what else. Canada is important for some of you. Maybe your person is in Canada. Mother is important, yes. For some of you, take care of your mother, or your mother, is important this week. Moon, high emotions, friends, high emotions. Eight of Cups, yeah. You will think a lot about the past, why something happened, why it ended, why should have worked. Probably December is also important. One of Coins, Ace of Coins, breakthroughs are coming, especially a new start in work and career. Blue is important. Blue is also a energy of protection. You are very protected. White is energy of peace. So you are stay peaceful. Nine of Wands, you are very close to victory. Very, very close to victory. Nine of Cups, a celebration is coming. And look at that, the heart. It feels, oh, sorry, friends, very sorry. It feels like a medal. Look at that. It feels like a medal, something that you have achieved, something you have worked hard, a victory which is achieved after a lot of hard work. Yes, it is happening for you this week. Victory and born to shine. Yes, you are born to shine. Don't listen to anyone else. And have a beautiful and a happy week. Subscribe Magic Wands Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.